their seat. All the honorable senators, kindly let us take our seats. Majority Leader, take your seat. Senator for Kiambu. Now, honorable senators, I will now proceed to put, before I put the question, I will direct that the Sergeant at Arms proceed to close the doors and draw the bar. Now, honorable senators, I will proceed to put the question, which is that whereas pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Government Act, on Thursday, the 29th of February 2024, the Kisii County Assembly approved a motion to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. And further, whereas by a letter dated the 1st of March 2024 and received in the office of the Speaker of the Senate on Saturday, 2nd March 2024, the Speaker of the Kisii County Assembly informed the Speaker of the Senate of the approval of the motion by the County Assembly and further forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the County Assembly. Further, whereas pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act, and Standing Order 80 of the Senate heard the County Assembly on the grounds for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. And further, whereas pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act, and Standing Order number 80, the Senate also had the Honorable Dr. Robert Monda on the grounds for his proposed removal from office by impeachment as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. Now, therefore, pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act, and Standing Order 80, the Senate resolved to remove from office by impeachment the Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, on the following charges. Charge 1, gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. Charge number 2, abuse of office. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. And charge number 4, crimes under national law. I want to remind honorable senators that there shall be a separate vote for each charge. So you're going to vote 4 times. Voting is going to be electronically. So at this juncture, I will ask honorable senators to log out. Log out by pulling out all your cards from the delegate units. And Sergeant at Arms, kindly go round. And pick the cards remaining in the delegate units. Sergeant at Arms. If you're done with that exercise, kindly Lemino, Senator Karungo, you're out of order, and if you insist, the consequences will naturally flow. Honorable Senators, you may now log back. You may now log back and vote on charge 1, which is gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. You may now proceed to vote on that particular charge. Clerk, do we have the honorable senators who had expressed their desire to vote online? There being no senator online for purposes of voting on account of charge 1, we can now proceed to verify the vote on account of charge 1. Honorable senators will move to the second vote, which is on charge number 2, abuse of office. You may proceed to vote. Clerk, do we have any senator wishing to vote online? We don't have. Then proceed to verify the results on charge number 2. Now, honorable senators will take the third vote, that is on charge number 3, gross misconduct. Honorable senators, proceed to vote. Clerk, is there any senator who's expressed their desire to vote online? Proceed to verify the results. Honorable senators will now take the final vote, the fourth charge, crimes under national law. Clerk, is there a senator who's expressed the desire to vote online on this charge? Then proceed to verify the results. Order, honorable senators. Senator Chirangai, take your seat, please. Now, honorable senators, the result of the vote on the impeachment motion on Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, is as follows. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. The ayes, 39. The nays, 3. Abstention, 1. So the ayes have it. Charge number 2, abuse of office. The ayes, 39. Nays, 3. Abstention, 1. Again, the ayes have it. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. The ayes, 35. Nays, 7. Abstention, 1. The ayes have it. Charge number 4, crimes under national law. The ayes are 32. Nays at 10, abstention at 1. So ayes have it. Now, honorable senators, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act provide as follows. If a majority of all the members of the Senate vote to uphold an impeachment charge, the Deputy Governor shall cease to hold office. Honorable senators, the result of the divisions indicate that the Senate has upheld the following impeachment charges. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. Charge number 2, abuse of office. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. And charge number 4, crimes under national law. Now, honorable senators, pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act, and the Standing Order 86 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, and the Deputy Governor therefore ceases to hold office forthwith. I thank you. You may, Sergeant at Arms, you may now proceed to withdraw the bar and open the doors. And honorable senators, kindly be upstanding.